which I'd like to point out is not just the ISI funding. Unfortunately, we have been giving a lot of money to the separatists for a very long time. I'm talking about the government of India, the central government. And it was out in the media that it's almost 100 crore rupees a year. Till now, media reports say, and I don't have access to any confidential information, I'm just sharing what I saw in the media, that I think 7,700 crore rupees till date have been given. So that is approximately 1.1 or 1.2 billion US dollars. 1.1 billion US dollars have been given to separatists. Specifically, the Hurriyat Conference has been given by the Indian government. And these are the people who abuse us. And these are the people who send stone pelters. And these are the people who जो बच्चों की लाशों पे सियासत करते हैं. 5 साल का बच्चा मिलिट्री बंकर के सामने क्या कर रहा था? जनाब, आपने पैलेट गन से मार दिया. किसने मार दिया पैलेट गन से? Unfortunate. I am also a father. I understand the pain. बट मुझे बात समझ में नहीं आती, बच्चा मिलिट्री बंकर के सामने, क्योंकि एक माहौल बनता है. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट हैपेंस दैट यू नो these CRPF people or the Jammu and Kashmir people, though anyway those people against whom the pellet guns, these are not the Indian Army. Indian Army does not, I don't think Indian Army even knows what a pellet gun is. Standard issue weapon is an AK-47 or a 5.56 insas. So pellet shelled guns so we don't use. But how does that small child come in front of a military bunker here? कौन लाता है उसको? वो कौन माँ है और कौन बाप है जो अपने 5 साल के बच्चे को बोलते हैं कि अब 2000 लोगों ने बंकर घेर लिया है, 1000 लोगों ने बंकर घेर लिया, बेटा तुम सामने आके खड़े हो जाओ, तुम्हें लड्डू मिलेगा. Who are these people? And who are these people who send their kids to a certain death? I was speaking to Gaurav Sawant. He's in the media and he's a very close friend. And he's a Fauji brat also. His father was in the army. And Gaurav Sawant did a story he works for India Today TV. And Gaurav did, we were together in college also. So Gaurav was my junior in college. And when I was speaking to him, he said that there are cases of people getting hurt and then separatist sympathizers or terrorists not allowing the ambulances to reach the hospital. Thank you. So you have these instant martyrs. जैसे मैगी बनती है ना, 2 minute मैगी, 5 minute, 5 minute में शहीद तैयार. कल जनाजा होगा, फिर 2 लाख लोग इकट्ठा होंगे, फिर हिंदुस्तान मुर्दाबाद के नारे. This is a factory. And when I say these people, please, I would like to make a clear-cut distinction. I'm not talking about common Kashmiris. I'm talking about separatists. I'm talking about people who pick up a weapon. I was extremely frustrated when Burhan Wani was killed and people started, our own media started treating him like a hero. And I was asked by this lady who happens to be a lawyer in the Supreme Court, and she asked me that, why did Burhan को मारा क्यों? उसको मारा क्यों? And as I told you, I was a company commander. I had around 120 men under me. So maybe intellectually I'm not that evolved. But I know that Rashtriya Rifles was involved in the operation. And later on, I was just speaking to fellow panelists and I said, what is the expectation from us? Why did you send us after Burhan Wani? उसको दावत पे बुलाना था, क्या करना था उसके साथ? नहीं, अगर उसको नहीं मारते तो कश्मीर में इतना मसला नहीं होता. हो गया तो क्या हुआ? You go on Facebook, you go on Twitter, and you say ambush Indian Army. You say kill the security forces. You encourage people to kill the sarpanch of villages. I'm talking about Burhan Wani. Okay? You do all of this. His father's interview was taken on TV, and his father said, when his father was, उनके father से पूछा कि, aren't you afraid? Your son is fighting against the security forces. And your son will be killed. So the father said, नहीं, ये तो खुदा की राह पे चल दिया है. पहले अल्लाह फिर बेटा. तो फिर मसला क्या है? Why is everybody saying in the media that इसको मार दिया, इसको मार दिया? तो क्या हुआ इसका? What does the Indian Army do? It kills the enemies of the state. It protects the country from all enemies, foreign and domestic. That is what the Indian Army does. And everywhere, you go to Bombay, you go to Bangalore, everybody, इसको मार क्यों दिया? गलती हो गई साहब, मार दिया. This is, see, had he been in China, there would have been no Burhan Wani created. You know, people say कि वो currency notes बंद कर दिए, so there is a lot of inconvenience. I agree, there is a lot of inconvenience. But there was a leader in China called Mao Zedong.